Hello, welcome back to the Marc Drouinaud Show, the tech show about hacking. NVIDIA's new AI update has changed everything, and this video's purpose is to show you why. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. Researchers from NVIDIA Corp have announced a number of innovations focusing on helping developers and artists combine artificial intelligence with computer graphics software to bring their creative ideas to life. The company says it will release no less than 18 new research papers detailing its innovations at SIGGRAPH 2023, which is an annual conference focused on computer graphics that runs August 6th to August 10th. The papers, which were produced in collaboration with researchers from dozens of universities in the US, Europe, and Israel, cover generative AI models that transform text into images. Inverse rendering models, tools that can make 3D versions of still images, physics models that use AI to stimulate complex 3D elements, and more. NVIDIA explained in a blog post that creators already have access to various generative AI models that can transform text into images. Such tools are widely used in tasks such as creating conceptual art storyboards for movies, video games, and 3D virtual worlds. However, they're still somewhat limited, especially when the artist has something very specific in mind. For example, an advertising executive might be planning a campaign around a new teddy bear and want to create various scenarios that showcase the toy in different situations, such as at a teddy bear tea party. Existing tools can create this level of specificity very well, so NVIDIA's researchers have come up with a technique that enables generative AI models to use a single example image to customize their output in a very specific way. A second technique outlines a highly compact model called profusion, which allows users to combine multiple personalized elements with a handful of concept images and create more specific AI-generated visuals. Elsewhere, NVIDIA's researchers have been focusing on speeding up the time-consuming process of rendering 2D images into a 3D environment. A third research paper is centered on a new technology that NVIDIA says is able to run on a conventional laptop and generate a photorealistic 3D head and shoulders model from a single 2D portrait. According to the company, this is a major breakthrough that will rapidly accelerate 3D avatar creation, with big implications for video conferencing and virtual reality applications. In another initiative, NVIDIA collaborated with Stanford University researchers to bring lifelike motion to 3D characters. For example, users can feed the model with the video from tennis matches and then transfer this lifelike motion to a 3D tennis playing character. The stimulated player can then play extended rallies with other characters, NVIDIA said. Uniquely, the model is able to solve the problem of creating 3D characters with diverse skills and realistic movement without requiring expensive motion capture video data. NVIDIA has also applied its AI smarts to neural rendering, which is a technique that simulates the physics of light reflecting through a virtual scene. Its research demonstrates how AI models for textures, materials, and volumes can be used to create film quality, photorealistic visuals of objects in real time for video games and virtual worlds. The company explained how its latest neural rendering compression techniques can substantially increase the realism of such scenes, capturing much sharper detail than its previous formats, where the text of a book, for example, remains blurry. Finally, NVIDIA's researchers showcased their recent progress in neural materials research. The paper details an AI system that can learn how light reflects from photorealistic multi-layered materials before reducing the complexity of these assets to smaller neural networks that run in real time. The result is up to 10 times faster shading, NVIDIA's researchers said. It demonstrated the extreme level of realism it can achieve in the image below of a neural rendered teapot, which accurately shows the ceramic material and the imperfect nature of the clear coat glaze, as well as fingerprint smudges and dust. NVIDIA said all of its latest research will be made available at this year's SIGGRAPH conference. It's hopeful that developers and enterprises will embrace its new techniques to generate synthetic objects and characters to populate virtual worlds for applications such as robotics and autonomous vehicle training. Moreover, it helps creatives such as artists, architects, filmmakers, and video game designers will adopt its techniques to produce higher quality visuals than were previously possible. Everybody but not you, hackers or anonymous, you stay out of this. This doesn't belong to you. So What do you think about this breaking story? Please let me know in the comment section below. Please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the notification bell. I love you. Stay safe. See you in the next video.